Hello and welcome back to my another tutorial. In this tutorial, I'm going to share with you how to check how much VRAM available in your desktop or laptop. So let's take a look how to do that. Maybe somehow or some cases you're looking for how much VRAM or video memory available in your Windows 11 desktop or laptop PC. In order to do that, it's really very easy and simple. You have to click in your Windows 11 start menu, just right click over on it and then click here settings. After click over setting in the right side, you're going to find here something say display. After click over display, you're going to see skin appear just like this. Scroll down and then you're going to find here something say advanced display. After click over advanced display, you're going to find here something say display adapter properties for display 1. After click over there, you're going to see a screen appear just like this. Here you're going to see all the details about your graphic card or your VRAM. For example, I has total available graphic memory is 4064 MB and I had dedicated video memory which is 128 MB which is called VRAM. So within this simply you can easily find out how much or how much quantity or VRAM available in your desktop or laptop. So that's for now. Thanks for watching my video. See you next one. Peace.